You ask me questions, but no, I'll give a story. I'll give a story.
Sure.
Ready?
So,
Ready?
yeah, sure.
Okay.
So, Danny, you named
So-
the Ozo.
Yeah. So my name is Danny Altman. I'm the founder of a company called 100 Monkeys in Berkeley, California, and we are a naming company. We worked with Nokia on the naming of their camera, which was an incredibly designed, immersive camera that it looked very much like it had a human sort of feeling to it because it sort of felt like a face and a head, and so we wanted to give it a name that was that kind of reflected the simplicity and beauty of the camera. And so the name that we wound up with was OZO, which if you look at if you write it down on a piece of paper, you will actually see a face. And so that was the idea behind it.
What were some of the other names that you considered?
My memory is like totally shot. You're asking me the wrong.
There must have been quite
wrong
a few
question.
of them, though.
Yeah, no. I mean, in the course of a project, we're looking at hundreds of names, but this was, it gets narrowed down until you've got like half a dozen top contenders, and then it goes to legal and goes to all over the world to make sure it doesn't mean up yours in Swahili and all that.
And now the Ozo is
kind of
defunct.
stuff. And that's the nature of our business, is that it's like you put everything into something and think about all the people at Nokia who worked on that project. I mean, this was like their life, and they created something absolutely incredible, and they were working with all kinds of Hollywood, LA studios to build it into new films that they were doing and so on, and poof.
Well, now there are 20 other companies that do the same thing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Danny.
Yeah, sure.
Really appreciate it.